Okay, this is attempt number 3. Oh, this is killing me. 7-2, same base. There's the objective. Check this out. 3 to the 4, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 to the 2, 3, 3. There are 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we take those, we get 3 to the 6th. Well, we can take 4 plus 2. We also get 3 to the 6th. So what we're doing is if we have the same base, we add the exponents. A to the m times a to the n, a to the m plus n. A cannot be 0, m and n are rational numbers. Shh, it's a secret. 1/3 and 1/3, fractions, those are rational. 2/3, 7 and -4, 3. Okay, notice the base stays the same. So 8 and 8, 8, 3 and 6, 9. 0.5, -11. Pause and do it. More than one base, combine only the powers with the same base. So we do the 4 and the 9, right there. We do the z to the 5th and the z to the -12, right there. We simplify. Uh-oh, negative exponent. We're not allowed negative exponents in the final answer. Just say no to being negative. Yeah. Okay. So numbers, there's a 1 there, so I'm going to put them together. Letters, put them together. Remember, any variable that's by itself has a 1 as the exponent. So now I multiply, and here I add the exponents. Oops, I forgot to change the color. Live with it. Okay. All right. -4, 7, and 2. Sorry if I'm weird. I'm frustrated. C to the 3rd, C to the -2, and then this little d squared all by itself. So we're going to go -4 times 7 times 2. We're going to do the c cubed times the c to the -2, and then that little old d squared all by itself. So -56, c to the 1. Remember, we can write c d squared. Pause. Solve that one. Okay. Exponents that are fractions. The bottom one is the magical number. We're looking for what number multiplied by itself twice will give us 9, and that's 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9, so therefore the answer is 3. So we're doing the same thing here. We're trying to find out what number multiplied by itself 4 times would give us 81, and that number is the final answer. So I'm pretty sure it's 3, so the final answer would be 3. What number multiplied by itself 4 times would give us 16? You guessed it, 2. So the final answer is 2. So here, what is the solution? Okay, so now we have a numerator as well. Leave that till the end, because it's going to kind of work itself out anyway. So what you see is that they break it down into different fractions that if I add them together, I get 3 over 2. So 64 to the 1/2, 64 to the 1/2, 64 to the 1/2. 8 times 8 equals 64. So this is 8, this is 8, this is 8. So the answer is 512. Okay? We do the same thing here. 3 over 2. 1/2, 1/2, and 1/2. So 25 to the 1/2 times 25 to the 1/2 times 25 to the 1/2. Well, 5 times 5, so this is 5, this is 5, this is 5. Final answer, 125. Okay? Now look, it's upside down. So what two fractions can I add together to get 2/3? 27 and 1/3 times 27 and 1/3. Well, 27 to the 1/3, 3 times 3 times 3. 27 to the 1/3, 3 times 3 times 3. The answer is 9. Moving on. Look at that one. Do it. Okay, last one. Back to that stuff. Group together all of the numbers. There's a 1. Group together all of the A's. Group together all of the B's. Multiply the numbers. 2 times 3 times 1 times 5. 30. Multiply the A's. A to the 2/3 times A to the 1/3. Well, when we add 2/3 and 1/3, we get 3/3. So that's A. And then multiply the B's. Oh, B to the 1/2. Well, that's the same thing as 2/4. So B to the 3/4